Today I have my DNS Babi portable handheld boom pole for shotgun mic. It extends from 3 feet to 8.3 feet adjustable length. This is great for filming when you would like to be out of the camera. It comes with 3 adjustable Velcro straps to tie down any extension cables or microphone cables. Your microphone screws in at the top of the pole. It also comes with 3 adjustable screw adapters. This boom pole has grips at both the top and the bottom, which make it very comfortable. It is also lightweight, portable, and easy to use. It's made of aluminum alloy material, which is resistant to humidity and corrosion for outdoor field and studio recording.